Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. The pretty plant name is poinsettia. Poinsettia changes its color during winter time. You can see red poinsettia as well as pink poinsettia, orange poinsettia also very nice, white poinsettia. Actually, you can see there are more than 100 variety of poinsettia. It also has a holy significance. The plant considered as a symbol of purity. The star-shaped leaf pattern is said to the symbol of Star of Bethlehem, which led the wise man to Jesus, and the red color represents the blood sacrifice of the Jesus Christ. The white leaves represent his purity. So friends, you can use the plant for Christmas decoration purpose. Let's come to know how to take care of this plant and how we'll get red and bright poinsettia. Poinsettia likes room temperature. 15 to 20 degrees Celsius temperature is ideal for the plant. Too much cold temperature can damage the plant. If temperature goes down below 15 degrees Celsius temperature, then keep your plant inside the room. Another important element is sunlight. Keep your plant under indirect bright sunlight. Window side is perfect place for the plant. If temperature and sunlight cannot maintain properly, then leaves of the plant can drop down like this way. Prepare light soil mix with sand, garden soil and homemade compost. Before watering your plant, first check soil dry or not. Touch the soil. If you feel soil is dry, then only give water, otherwise don't give water. You can follow any one method to water your plant. Number 1, you can spray water every alternative day. In second method, you can water your plant weekly once. Water thoroughly in such a manner that water will come out from bottom drainage hole. It will make you sure that all the roots have got sufficient water and release excess water. Keep in mind, excess water can damage your plant and leaves will drop down like this way. Feed your plant monthly once. I would like homemade liquid fertilizer. Banana peel tea is very effective for flower giving plant. In description box, I have shared the method how to prepare banana peel tea at home and how to use that banana peel tea for plant. Monthly twice spray insecticide. Use garlic juice as insecticides. In description box, I have shared how to prepare garlic juice as insecticides for plant. Neem oil also good for the plant. You can spray neem oil monthly once. It will keep your plant away from ants and insects. If ants or insects attack your plant may turn yellow and leaves will drop down. So be careful about that. Propagation of this plant is very easy. From single branch cutting, the root may sprout. Cut a 8 inches branch and dip them inside 4 inches water. Roots will sprout within 1 month. Now come to the last point. Why poinsettia change color and how we'll get bright red poinsettia. To get colorful poinsettia, you need to eliminate its light. Each day, minimum 14 hours darkness required to change its color. Morning time, bright sunlight is okay, but night time, cover your plant with black plastic paper. As it gets complete darkness. You have to follow these techniques at least 8 weeks. Many people wonder what makes poinsettia turn red. It is actually the plant's leaf that provide its color through a process called photoperiodism. For lack of light, the green leaf turn into red leaf. Now is November end. Christmas is almost around the corner. Start decorate your room with this beautiful plant. I hope you enjoy the video. Thank you for watching my video. For now, bye bye. Take care.